just because you're watching this channel right now. You guys are the bosses of you and of your beautiful life. So with that being said, I am so happy today, guys. Thank you very, very much for this. Really, you guys are the very reason that I do these videos and make these videos every day for you. So I don't want to waste any more time. You know what to do. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I release more videos. Today's video, right now on this video, is going to be about how to set up your trading account on Bybit. And then I'll do another video for you later on Bitcoin and the price action, but we'll take a look at that now and we'll just have a little bit of a talk about that. But the focus of the video is how to trade on Bybit. And if you guys want to know, you guys can get up to a $30,000 bonus on the link when you click the link down below. So please make sure that you click that link, deposit your whatever funds that you can. Obviously, you don't take your rental money, but take whatever, any cash that you have and that you want to trade with, and only trade if you know how to trade. But there's a link down below. You can go there and click on the link right now so that you can become a beautiful trader, make some money, leverage the trade, and take your profits and enjoy that. So first of all, this is my very small account on Bybit. I use this account as my demonstration account for the channel, and basically I'd like to show you guys that this is the platform. So this is Bybit. You can come over here and you can buy crypto. You can click one-click buys. You've got peer-to-peer trading. You've got fiat deposits and you've got crypto deposits. Okay. You've got markets. You've got overview of the markets, which tells you a bit about the markets. You've got market data and what's launching soon. So that would be the launch pads for any crypto, like the Me coin and Custa, etc. that basically come onto the platform. Now this is where you would come and trade. You can either do spot trading. You can trade in USDT, BTC, USDC, DAI, and Euro. You've got margin trading, okay, which could be any leverage from 1 up to 100. You've got leveraged tokens. You've got trading bots. So as I was saying, you can come over here and you can look at the trading bots, which is a new tool on the Bybit platform. And I'll show you a little bit about that now. But basically, you can just put a bit of money in, set the entry and take profit levels on the range that the bot will trade in, and then the bot will then do the rest for you. So it's pretty easy and the bots. I've put a few dollars in there to try it out, but the bots scalp. So it's very interesting to see that. Launchpad and then voting. So your votes count on Bybit, especially when you use my link down below, because when you become part of the portal, you have access to a community that allows you to share in information across the community and what the platforms are doing, what can and can't be used on the platforms, etc., etc. So very cool. You've got the derivatives portal, which is mostly where I trade from, which is actually the USDT perpetual. So I trade the USDT perpetual, and that's what I do on all of these coins here. So whichever coin I see and I feel like trading, I'll trade that coin. I'll use a bit of leverage. Generally for altcoins, I'd probably use 5% leverage at the most, because altcoins are heavily volatile. And I'll share a trading strategy on another video with you, but there are different types of trading strategies that you can use. Now, you can do copy trading, which allows you to copy other traders. I told you guys on my video, I did try this, and there might be success for other people, but for me, I tried it once, I was burned, I ain't going to try it again. Where I copied somebody else and the trade didn't work, and I lost 20%, just about 18% on the trade that person made. So I immediately withdrew my money back out. You got USDC perpetuals, you got USDC options, inverse contracts, and more derivative contracts, which essentially would be able to allow you to trade on the MetaTrader platform, MT4, and you can have unified accounts, you can have sub-accounts that you basically allow the platform to transact the same, affect the same trades and entry and exit levels across multiple platforms, which would be a good place for you to look at how the platform builds itself and how you can actually take profits throughout. So you've got copy trading, leaderboard, MT4, you've got finance, you can earn, so you can stake your coins in Bybit savings. You've got liquidity mining, dual asset mining, and a launch pool. And you've got loans. I don't know if you know much about how to use crypto loans, go ahead and do it, but I don't, so I won't recommend that for now. And you've got Bybit wallet, you've got the decentralized exchange, and you've got NFT platforms. So very easy. You can come over here, you can have a look at your assets in your derivatives, on your MT, on your trading bot. You can have a look at all of them. On this account, there's $258 across. So let's go and have a look now at the USD perpetual BTC chart. Now, this is a very simple trading platform to use, and the cool thing about it is, honestly, it's my favorite platform to do derivatives trading, especially. Spot trading is quite easy. I do like Binance because Binance is simple, but this is very much like Binance, so this is very simple. So let's go and have a look here at what you have. So you have an order book. These are people getting ready to enter the market for sells or shorts. These are the people getting ready to enter the market for buys or longs at these specific prices. And these first ones here are the ones that get entered into the trade themselves. You have strategy, which I actually need to learn a little bit about, but I'm going to speak to you about standard trading. And what we'll do on standard trading is, and you can see that it's connected to TradingView. So if you've got TradingView and you've basically got an alert on TradingView at a specific price, it'll alert you on this platform that there is a potential trade coming up that you obviously place that alert for. So you have different options. This is the purchase price. The leverage price. So normally I go isolated. I don't do cross because cross can be a little bit difficult. On Bitcoin, depending on where we're at, so as an example, my previous trade, I actually did a 15x leverage. But normally I would do a 10x leverage on Bitcoin, and the rest of the altcoins I would do a 5 or 6x leverage. So just depending on where we're at. So let's just confirm a 10% leverage here. Isolated leverage, okay? Okay, don't worry. Now, why is that not working? Okay, just leave that for now, but you can do anything up to 100. Now, the higher you go, the tighter your stop loss becomes, the more capital you need to make it a little bit wider so that you don't get stopped out. So limit is basically what I've got here on my trading chart. My trading chart's still loading there for some reason. But if you come over here, a limit is basically if you want to do a buy limit and the price is, say, at 20,000 and you want to buy at 19,000, you'll put a buy limit at 19,000. And when the price hits that 19,000, it'll enter you into your trade and you'll then start to take a long position based on that. And vice versa for a short trade where Bitcoin might be at 20,000 and it might push up a little bit to hit a resistance level. And then you say that was 20,200. Then you'd hit a sell option at 20,200, and then you would then you would be entered into a short, and you would then take profits at, say, 17,000 as an example. If you were to do a market order, so you've got to order by quantity, so you can say, for example, the $258 that was in that account, then you basically say, okay, I want to do 0.001. That will equal your cost. Your value of your trade would be $21 at the 10x margin, and then your cost, say for example, because that's 10x, would be $2.96. Okay, because it's 10x. The value is higher than the cost. Okay, and that's why the 10x leverage works very nicely for making good money. So if you wanted to enter a market trade, you could this would enter you in straight away at the current price of the coin that you're entering into, and that would give you that entry level there, and it would tell you exactly the same, the value and the cost, and you could get in straight away if that's what you wanted to. You would avoid having to wait. You would be able to enter a take profit and stop loss position by entering in whatever prices you wanted here, or a percentage of where you're looking at. And then all you do is you come over and you click open long. So as you can see here, I've got two positions that are waiting on this account. One is at 19,400 and one at 18,900. The bottom one is always bigger because it could end up falling lower. So you don't put your bigger ones at the top. Okay. You can deposit, you can exchange, and you can transfer between your accounts. You can see there that I've got basically $19 locked up in these two trades, and there's $4 left to trade with. So I won't do anything with that for now, okay? But I just wanted to share with you so you can see there's the cost. So the cost of the trade is $1.40. So it would take $1.40 off of that, the available balance, and then you would get into the trade, and your value of the trade would be to that, and you would be able to get in. Now, conditional is basically very similar to the limit. I don't like the conditional because if somebody's got 100 Bitcoin and you've only got 0.1 Bitcoin, it'll enter the person who has the higher volume of capital first before it enters you. And if there's a whole line of people before you, even though you might have been first, it'll push you down until it can actually enter you in. And it might not even get you all in on your order value. So very interesting on how to trade the chart on the charts. I'm not sure why my chart's not loading here, but don't worry about that for now, because that wasn't the purpose. The purpose wasn't really to look at the chart here. The purpose was to teach you. The purpose was to teach you about the chart. Now, if you wanted the trading view chart, you could click the trading view chart, which would connect you to your trading view alerts. You could open up the chart to become bigger here. Then it would widen the chart, and you'd still be able to have this open, which is a really cool feature. I love that. You can add indicators onto your charts. You can add what you would like displayed and what you don't want displayed. You could change the time frames of your chart, and you could have standard. Let's click on the standard, and let's see if the standard actually comes through. And then basically, if you come back here to the limits and you have a look at, so if you have a look at, so that the charts come up here. So if you've had a look at this, you can see there's my buy limit entries. Now, why did I put them at that price? Well, because there's a lot of support at this region here, okay? Even though there seems as though there's like a pitfall here, this was a double bottom and a W pattern. So yes, it essentially should be breaking up, but we've had a huge push up, and we should come back down to try and find some support, right? And the most support is in that area. So why wouldn't it make sense to put in a trade at that area? Even if it fell a little bit more, I could put in another entry down here or enter into the market at that point. And I could just do it with one click of a button, buy now, which would enter you into a trade almost immediately. So you guys can see what it is that I've done here on the chart and the trading view chart. So very simple, very easy to use. You can add more margin to your trade if you need to, and you can reduce margin. So let's just click on that. So you want to take profits. You say, for example, you only want to take 10% profit. You just take 10% and confirm, and that's it. You've banked 10% of your money. So that's pretty cool, right? If you wanted to take 100% or 150%, you could, because certain trades could end up being 300%. And if you only wanted 150%, you could take 150%. So I just wanted to let you guys know how to use the platform. You can change your order price on your trades if you like. These will be your positions that will be open. As you can see, I have none open yet. Positions that are closed in profit. Profit and loss, I don't have any for now. That's very strange because I did close some trades last week. Let's see here, all orders. Let's see if the all orders, as it says, can do it for us. But basically, yeah, you can see what's conditional, what's filled, and your order history. And then you can basically just come in and look at your charts and see where, what, and how to actually trade the market. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please, of course, remember to come back, like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell so that you know when I do videos just like this. Keep a close eye on my channel because I'm going to be doing more content on the on other